Hello friends, today I am unboxing and doing full camera review test in between Huawei Mate 70 5G versus Mate 70 Pro. Doing so, I'll also share some in-depth information of both smartphones. Huawei Mate 70 comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, 6.70-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1216 into 2688 pixels. Huawei Mate 70 comes with 12GB of RAM. The Huawei Mate 70 runs Harmony OS 4.3 and is powered by a 5500 mAh non-removable battery. It supports wireless charging as well as 66 watt fast charging for fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Huawei Mate 70 on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel f4 1.4 to 4.0 primary camera, a 40 megapixel f4 2.2 ultra wide angle camera, and a 12 megapixel f4 3.4 telephoto camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 13 megapixel sensor with an f4 2.4 aperture. Huawei Mate 70 is based on Harmony OS 4.3 and packs 256GB of inbuilt storage. It was launched in spruce green, hyacinth purple, snowy white and obsidian black colors. It features an IP69 rating for dust and water protection. Now let's talk about Huawei Mate 70 Pro. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, 6.90-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1316 into 2832 pixels. Huawei Mate 70 Pro comes with 12GB of RAM. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro runs Harmony OS 4.3 and is powered by a 5700 mAh non-removable battery. It supports wireless charging as well as 100 watt fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera, a 40 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 48 megapixel telephoto camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 13 megapixel sensor with an f4 2.4 aperture. Huawei Mate 70 Pro is based on Harmony OS 4.3 and packs 256GB of inbuilt storage. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro supports dual SIM. It features an IP69 rating for dust and water protections. So friends, that's all about both of the smartphone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.